Molweni, sanibonani, ngiyanamukela back to my channel. Sisasephezulu-ke indaba yengane zesithembu. We can see here uMpumelelo noTirelo, they went to see uTata uMseleku. Yena they are discussing indaba yokuyohlala eMzumbe. Uyasho-ke uTirelo ukubana mina noMpumelelo we don't want to stay eMzumbe. Hayi uBhubezi yena uthi sukunifaka-ke, like don't involve me ngoba mina ngihlala apha eMzumbe, ngikhulele khona and anangxaki nokuhlala apha eMzumbe. It's you who has a problem with staying eMzumbe. Siyabona-ke ukubana uMtirotiro yena nje indaba yokuhlala e-Yellow House nokube abhizi aphathana ney'nkukhu ney'mbuzi nje, hhayi intombazana ethi yena hhayi no, she is not comfortable with ukuhlala eMzumbe full time. UMusa Mseleku uthi hawu kanti ubungamxeleli ngani ukubana that's where everyone starts, that's where uMacele started, that's where uMakhumalo started, that's where uMangwabe started, that's where uMayeni started. They all got yellow houses there. Kanye noMakhwela nje, she's got her own yellow house. It all starts eMzumbe. You need to see ukubana are you a wife material na, uyakhona na ukuyiphila le mpilo yasemakhaya before bazokuthengela indlu pha ePitori nakabo Hyde Park. So uTirelo yena uyatsho ukubana hayi mina noMpumelelo asifuni ukuya eMzumbe, like we don't want to stay there. And it's actually her ngoba uMpumelelo, that's why he had to take her kubaba-ke ukubana the father must convince her ukubana she must go and stay eMzumbe first before uyothengelwa indlu edolobheni. And uTata uMseleku uze uyatsho nokubana do you even have imali yokuthi nithenge indlu edrobheni? Because at least imani seMzumbe, you don't have to buy that house because that is the Mseleku homestead, that's where everyone starts. So uMtirotiro yena uthi hayi yena-ke indaba le yokuyeshiywa kwa-Yellow House nyathi nje hayi it does not sit well with her. And uMpumelelo nje naye is not on her side ngoba uyatsho ukubana anangxaki mina ukuhlala apha eMzumbe because this is my homestead. I grew up here. There's no way I can say ukubana I don't want to stay here, which means ingxaki-ke nguwe sisi. Uyatsho-ke pha uMpumelelo xa sebeqibile ukuthetha notata-ke uze uyamlandela-ke naphandle uyatsho ukubana ayi nangumuntu sekantsweba pha phakathi ukubana yeyi wena you need to agree ukubana we both don't want to stay here. And-ke yena uyasho uMpumelelo ukubana she needs to stay here. The fact yokuthi now it has came from uTata uMseleku's mouth ukubana you need to come eMzumbe and stay here first. Let me know what do you guys think about this culture of ukubana umakoti you need to stay at the homestead first before you are settled at edrobheni. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.